Hello, hi everybody. Good evening to all of you. Here I am, your chemistry teacher Prerna. So today, as you know that we have started a revision program for you guys for class 10th board, which is nearly some 40-20 days away, right? So we are going to discuss today carbon and its compound. Before this class, I have discussed the previous year questions of carbon and its compound part 1. If you will go back, you will find that video of mine. There you can definitely download the PPT, right? In the previous session, I have discussed the previous year questions of the same chapter, and today also I am going to discuss the PYQs, the important question, the important topics. Definitely you are going to find some 2-3 questions from this topic, this chapter, and the questions which I am going to discuss today. So you have to be fully concentrated in this class. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the chat box. Okay, I'm going to address each and every doubt there. So don't hesitate. Wherever you have doubt, wherever you have not understood the concept, do let me know in the comment box. I'll keep on asking you the questions also, so do give me the answer in the comment box. And after this, on next class will be on Monday, okay, for another subject. So let's start the session. So now here is our first question. Okay, name the hardest substance which is an allotrope of carbon. First of all, what do you guys know about allotropes? Correct? So what is the definition for allotrope? Okay, tell me guys, what is the definition for allotrope? So what is the definition? Allotropes are different compounds which will have this one common element, but only one common element, everything is going to be same. So allotrope will have different physical property. Correct? What is the meaning of physical property? They look wise, appearance wise, they are going to be completely different. Okay, they will have different chemical property. What do you mean by chemical property? That for example, the different allotropes, their reactions will be different with different reagents. For example, one allotrope has different reaction with HCl. Another allotrope will have different reaction with HCl. So allotropes, the common thing is they will have same element. Their core element is going to be same, but different properties, different chemical properties, physical properties. Correct? So this is the definition of allotrope. This can be also asked in the exam, and this is very important chapter. Each and everything which I am teaching you here is very important from exam point of view. Okay, so now name the hardest substance which is an allotrope of carbon. First of all guys, do let me know in the comment box what are the allotropes which you know is there for carbon. Can you tell me the name of the allotropes of carbon? And it is very common names. You don't have to think much. So do let me know what are the allotropes of carbon. Diamond, correct? Yes. And then we have graphite. These are the allotropes of carbon. Correct? Fullerene. Can you tell me among diamond and graphite, which is the hardest? Correct. Correct, Dhanush, you have given the correct answer. So name the hardest substance which is an allotrope of carbon. There are various allotropes of carbon. Correct. Very good, Amrit. Very good. Rachita, Amrut, absolutely correct. So correct answer here is diamond. Fine? Yes. So hardest substance which is an allotrope of carbon, that is diamond. Mention the difference between diamond and graphite. Quickly guys, tell me. Yes, no, graphite is not the answer. The hardest element, hardest allotrope of carbon is graphite. You know it is that hard. Yes, correct. Yes guys, very good. I'm very happy that you guys are engaging so much. Very nice. Chalo, tell me diamond and graphite. What is the difference between diamond and graphite? One difference so you know now, right? Tell me diamond and graphite, which is more hard? Yes. So one difference, Diamond is hard, correct? What do you think about graphite? Diamond is hard. What do you think about graphite, guys? Graphite is weak. It is slippery in nature. If you will put graphite here, yes, correct. Very good, Amruta. Diamond is 4 bonded, tetrahedral. Absolutely correct. So here, this graphite is slippery in nature. Slippery. It slips like this. Correct. But diamond is very hard. So I am writing here the graphite part. Graphite is weak. Yes. Acha. What is the color of graphite? What is the color of graphite? Graphite has weak forces. What is the color of graphite? Guys, what is the color of graphite? Graphite is little brownish in color. But diamond has no color. It depends. Exactly. Correct. Diamond has particularly no color. Very good, guys. Superb. One more thing, Amruta has told me that diamond is tetrahedral bonded. Absolutely correct. Diamond is cage-like structure. If you will write these words in the exam, definitely you are going to get full marks. You don't have to write the full paragraphs. Your examiner will check the important points. If you will write here cage-like structure and diamond has 3D structure. These two words are very important. Correct? Yes. And graphite is layered structure. Graphite is layered structure and it is 2D structure. Correct? Yes. Acha, tell me quickly, diamond and graphite, who conduct electricity? Very, very important difference. Though they have asked only 2 difference, but if you know more, if they can ask in 3 marks and 4 marks, so if you know more points, you can write there. Tell me, graphite and diamond, which is the conductor of electricity? Carbon is considered a non-metal. Yes, it's still graphite conduct. Yeah, I told the answer. Graphite, correct. Very good, Dhanush. Absolutely correct. So I can write one more point. Graphite conduct electricity, but that is not the case with graphite conduct electricity. Yes, that is not the case with the diamond. Diamond is insulator. Diamond is insulator. It does not conduct electricity. What is fullerene? 2 questions clear? Yes. Quickly tell me, guys, what is fullerene? What do you know about fullerene? Correct. Very good, Amruta. Somukt. Surbhi. Yes. Chalo, tell me, what do you mean by fullerene? What is fullerene? Let's just see what is fullerene. See here. So can you tell me what do you mean by what you get in the mind when you learn about this word fullerene? What do you think about fullerene? Yes. Diamond is a good conductor of heat. Yes. Tell me, guys, what do you think about fullerene? Fullerene, just like diamond and graphite, fullerene is also an important allotrope of carbon. Okay. So one thing you will write the first line, it is also an allotrope of carbon. Okay. What else? Can you tell me the structure of fullerene? How fullerene look like? So let's see here. Fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. This is very important line. Correct. Correct, Amruta. Fullerene 60. Yes, correct. The first one to be identified was C616. C16 was the first fullerene discovered. It is a first fullerene discovered. And how it looks like? How it looks like, guys? It is also allotrope of carbon. Absolutely correct, Samyukt. Absolutely correct. So the first fullerene, yes, it is like a football. Correct. It is a football like a structure. Absolutely correct. So which has the carbon atoms arranged in the shape of football. Since this looked like a, so here it is the name from where the Buckminster Fuller has come. You don't need to write this. You just tell that very important point. Fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. First, it looks like a football. very important thing. In fullerene, there are two type of rings. Can you tell me what are the two type of carbon rings in fullerene? Can you guys tell me what are the two types of carbon ring present in fullerene? Yes, Amruta, Surbhi, Dhanush, tell me guys, what are the two types which we see in that fullerene? There are two types. It is pentagonal and hexagonal. Pentagonal and hexagonal. This is the two type of ring we see in C16 fullerene. Okay, it is like this. See, this is your 6-membered ring. Yes, same way like that. Can you see? The whole fullerene structure is made like this. I'll make here, see. This is the 6-membered ring, and here you have 5-membered ring. Again it will form 6-membered ring. Again it will be 6 like that. 5. Okay. Again 6. So in football also, correct. Very, very good. Surbhi, am I taking your name correct? Yes, 12 pentanal, 20 hexagonal. Even if you don't remember the numbers, how many pentagon, how many hexagon, you have to write that in fullerene there are two type of rings. Correct? What? Which type of ring? Here, 5-membered and 6-membered. Okay, fine. Good morning. Good evening, sorry. So, this is clear? Yes, guys, fullerene is clear. No need to waste time to read more, to know more. If you are not doing any research, you have to prepare for the exam. Prepare like this much marks, we have to write this much. These are the important points. No need to write extra, no need to learn extra during the exam time. Okay. Now, second question. Covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point. Why? Who is going to tell me the answer? First of all, do you guys know that covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point? Tell me, do you guys know this, that ionic and covalent? Can you let me know in the chat box that ionic and covalent, whose boiling point is more? Boiling and melting both. Can you tell me ionic and covalent, whose melting and boiling point is more? Yes. I am waiting for you guys to tell me the answer. Ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Who has more boiling and melting point? Covalent bonds are weaker. Absolutely correct, Amruta. So tell Amrut, sorry. Can you tell me ionic and covalent? Yes, very, very good, Dhanush. Yes, very good, Amruta. Yes. Very nice, guys. Ionic has more melting and boiling point. So I will tell you the reason. Okay. Ionic bonding, yes, correct. Ionic boiling point is more. Very good, Tanush. Very nice. So now here understand. When we make a ionic compound is formed between two charge. Acha, can you tell me what happens between positive and negative? Yes, correct. Very good. Can you tell me what happens between positive and negative? Positive and negative attract strongly. Yes. Yes. Now, why in ionic compound there is clear charge? There is positive charge. Yes, there is positive charge, and here it is negative charge. There is negative charge. Complete charge is there. Are you guys getting my point? If I will also get positively charged, something will get quickly attracted to me, something negative. So here you have clearly charged. So this is a very strong attraction. Very, very good, Amruta. Yes. So this is there is a very strong attraction. Correct? Yes. So here we are. But what happens in the covalent compound? Can you tell me what happens in the covalent compound? Yes. What happens in the covalent compound? There is no charge. If you will see methane, what is the formula for methane? What is the formula for methane? Do let me know in the comment box, guys. What is the formula for methane? Methane is carbon, correct? Here H, here H, here H, here H. When you will go in higher classes, that time you will come to know that this bond is formed by sharing of electron. Correct? Covalent bond. Covalent bond is sharing of electron. There is no separation of charges. Correct? Very good, Surbhi. Absolutely correct. So here, what is the difference? Covalent compound doesn't have the charges like this, positive and negative. Correct? So that's why, if I will tell you, one methane molecule, another methane molecule, they have weaker attraction. If you will write this word in the exam, your answer is going to be correct. If you are not going to write the full paragraph, this word is important. Weaker force of attraction. Weaker force of attraction. But here you have very strong force of attraction. Very strong force of attraction. Correct? So see here. See, my hands, they are weakly bounded. Correct? So it will take less time to get separated. But if my hands are very strongly bound with the positive, negative, strongly bound, correct? Attraction is more. It means that to break them, I have to provide more heat. Correct? So that is the reason covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point. One word answer. There is no separation of charge. There is no separation of charge. Weaker force of attraction. Hence, it is low melting and boiling point. Is that clear, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. If it will come in the exam, you are going to write this. Definitely, you mark my words. Whatever I am teaching you in here, definitely you are going to find the questions from this. Okay? Because what they will do, they will just mold the questions. Different numerical values, different example, different language. But concept is going to be same. Okay? Fine? So, did you guys understand this? No separation of charge. Yes, correct. Yes, there is no separation of charges here. There is no positive, negative. Correct? Yes. Chalo. Now, let's move to the next class. So, you guys have understood. Okay. Chalo. Next question. Covalent compounds. Again, this here I have there the answer of the question. Covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point because the force of attraction. You just have to mention this word. My dear students, do let me know in the comment box force of attraction in covalent and ionic, where it is more. Force of attraction in covalent or ionic, where it is more. Force of attraction is more in covalent or ionic. Yes. So now I have explained you this much. Let me check how much you have understood. Covalent and ionic compounds where the force of attraction is more. Yes. Tell me, Dhanush, Rachita, Veena, Sumukt, Lakshmi, Varalakshmi. Yes, ionic. Correct. Absolutely correct. So the correct answer is ionic. Yes. So force of attraction weaker in covalent bond. Very nice. And stronger in ionic bond. Very, very good. Correct. So because the force of attraction between molecules of covalent compound are very weak. One covalent compound, for example, H2. Another covalent compound, for example, H2. You draw this diagram. If you have in the exam time, if you have some extra time, remember one thing. Whenever in the answer sheet, you put some graph, you put some extra examples, or you draw some picture. Okay, when you draw the picture or you give some examples, examiner, the checker thinks that, okay, the students knows the answer. Okay, and your answer looks beautiful also. So you draw the structure like this, covalent molecule. Here it is a weak force of attraction. Okay, fine. So automatically they are easy to boil, they are easy to melt. Correct? Okay, fine. So here Since the bond is formed by sharing of electrons, there is no separation of charge. Again, the most important point here, there is no separation of charges. On applying a small amount of heat, these molecules can break. Correct? Now, let's move to the next thing. Okay, what are the properties of carbon that led to huge number of carbon compounds we see around? Correct? This too you guys already know that there are so many compounds of carbon possible. Yes, so many. You will see there whatever is there in front of you, that contains carbon. Even in our body, yes, even in our body there is so much amount of, most of the part is carbon. So what do you think? What is the property of the carbon which makes carbon so special? I am waiting for your answer, guys. Tell me, what is the property of the carbon which is making carbon so special? There are two properties. Tell me quickly, what is the property of the carbon which makes carbon extra special? We have so many compounds of carbon. Because of valency, Dhanush has told me the correct answer. Sumukt also has given the correct answer. Catenation and tetravalency. Absolutely correct. Mahalinga is also has given the correct answer. Absolutely correct, guys. So you are super duper smart. So what is the answer for this? Carbon is tetravalent. First point. Carbon is tetravalent. It means that carbon can form 4 bonds. Yes, absolutely correct. Carbon can form 4 bonds. If we will see nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, they can mostly, maximum they can form 2-3 bonds. But carbon is tetravalent. Carbon can form 4 bonds. What is the second property you have told me? Catenation. Correct? And this question has come in CBSE 2011, repeatedly 12, and then it is also asked in 14. Correct? So catenation means what? Catenation means self-linking property. Self-linking property of any element. Self-linking property of any element. Correct? Okay, fine. So these are the two properties which make, yes, which make carbon a super element. It is so super, the chemistry of carbon is so vast that you have a separate branch of chemistry to study carbon. And what is that? That is organic chemistry, correct? Inorganic one part, or in organic chemistry you study only about the hydrocarbons, correct? Okay, so now there are two properties, tetravalency and catenation, correct? So the property of carbon element due to which its atoms can join one another to form long carbon chain is called catenation. See, carbon is the only element which can link with each other, and because of this, very good Yagnesh, absolutely correct. Because of this, the long chain of carbon is possible. Ring of carbon is possible, correct? So because of catenation, there are so many chains and rings. Tetravalency, carbon has valency of 4. It is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms. See here. Can you tell me what is the formula? What is the name for this compound? CHCl3. Can you tell me what is the name for this compound? Hi Jeet. Yes, correct Dhanesh. Dhanish, yes, chains can be formed. So tell me, what is the formula? What is the name for this CHCl3? Carbon, one carbon can form bond with different atoms. CHCl3, CHF3, CHI3. So this is chloroform, right? What is chloroform? Which the kidnappers used to make somebody unconscious. Once it will lose the conscious, they will take him somewhere. Okay, so this chloroform, CHCl3. Then CCl4, very dangerous, correct? So why so many compounds of carbon is possible? Because carbon is tetravalent and catenation. Chalo. So give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. If it will come in the exam, you will be able to write, correct? Compounds of carbon are formed with oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, chlorine and many other elements, giving rise to compound with specific properties. Every compound will have different property, correct? Yes. So can I change the slide? Did you guys understand this question? Yes. Okay. Correct, Rachita. Chloroform. So give me a thumbs up if you have understood this. Yes. Can I change the slide? Can we go to the next question? Here is our next question. See, what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide? Can you tell me the formula for carbon dioxide? It is very, very easy. Yes, understood. Yagnesh, Sumukt, can you tell me what is the formula for carbon dioxide? Guys, if you have understood, give me a thumbs up because I have the clarity that you have understood, okay? Yes? So tell me the formula for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2. And this question has come in CBSE 2015 and 18. What is the dot structure of carbon dioxide? Yes, correct, CO2. So what you will do? No need to get confused. Just write the elements here. Yes. Can you tell me number of valence electrons of carbon? How many valence electrons are there for carbon? Valence electrons of carbon. Correct. It is 2, 4. So 4 is the valence electron. Yes. Acha. What is the valence electron of oxygen? Valence electron of oxygen, it is 2, 6, it is 6. 6 is the valence electron. What you have to do for carbon, I am using red color. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to draw the valence electron around that atom because we are doing for CO2. Correct? So carbon here with 2. Yes, correct. Very, very good guys. Very good Rachita, Purvi, Lakshmi, all the girls here. Correct, very good. So, first step, we will put here the valence electron. Okay, for oxygen, I am taking here this violet color to show the oxygen electrons. How many oxygen valence electrons? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same here. Carbon needs 4 electron to complete its octet. Carbon needs 4 electron to complete the octet. Correct? Yes. But oxygen needs only 2 electron. So this is the dot structure of CO2. Tell me if you have understood this structure. First step, you will write the element. Second step, you will draw the valence electron surrounding the atom. Third step, you will complete the octet. This will become the dot structure. If you have not understood, I will give example of one more molecule. Or you guys do one thing. Take the homework, write down the homework. Draw the dot structure for water. Draw the dot structure for water, for methane. Automatically you will understand. Tell me guys, did you understand the dot structure for CO2? Yes. Can I move forward to the next question? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. If I am going fast, if I am going slow, if you have any requirement, you want something for me to do let me know in the comment box. Okay? Guys, so can I move forward to the next question? Here is our next question. Okay? Fine? Chalo. A hydrocarbon molecule contains 4 hydrogen atoms. Give its molecular formula if it is alkane, if it is alkene, if it is alkyne. Read this question. Purvi, Sumukt, Rachita, good job guys. What about others? Have you understood? Chalo. Now read this question. Varalakshmi, very good. What about HCl? You want for HCl. Darshil, you want for HCl. What is there in HCl? You will write here H. You will write here Cl. Chlorine is 2, 8, 7. 7 is the valence electron for chlorine. Correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? I will show the electron of hydrogen by red color. See here, hydrogen has only one electron, that is only the valence electron. Yes? So here, hydrogen will complete the doublet. Hydrogen want one electron in the outermost shell. But chlorine will complete what? Octet. Yes, chlorine will complete the octet. Understood? Yes? Okay, fine. Darshil, have you understood now the dot structure of HCl? Is it visible? I'll come this side. Yes? Okay. Now let's come back to the question. Guys, read this question. A hydrocarbon molecule contains 4 hydrogen. If it is alkane, what is the formula for alkane, guys? General formula for alkane? General formula for alkane. It is CnH2n plus 2. Correct? So if there are 4 hydrogen, what will be the N value here? If there are 4 hydrogen, here 2n plus 2 is equal to 4. So N value will become what? N value will become 1. Understood, guys? If you don't want to guess, correct? If you know, that is very nice. Very good, Samakt. Very good, Mamita. Very good, guys. Superb. So first one, if it is alkane, then formula here is CH4. Correct? If it is alkene, what is the general formula for alkene? CnH2n. In this case, 2n is equal to 4. N value will come out as 2. It means that there are 2 carbon. Correct? Yes, very good. So if it is alkene, it will be C2H4. It is going to be methane. What is the name for this? Ethene and alkyne. Alkyne general formula is CnH2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. Correct? Is equal to 4. 2n is equal to 6. N value will come out as 3. In case of alkyne, there are 3 carbon. C3H4. Understood, guys? Did you guys understand this question? If any other type of question will come, will you be able to solve? Yes? Just put the formula, equate the number of hydrogen. You will get the N value. N value here is number of carbon atoms. Okay, guys? Fine. Did you understand this question? Can I change the screen? Can we move forward to the next question? Yes? So I hope that you guys have understood this question. Here is our next question. Okay? Tell me, why graphite conduct electricity but not diamond? Veena has understood. Mamita, correct. Tell me, guys, why does graphite conduct electricity but not diamond? So Mukt, Dhanush, yes. Other people, where are the other students? Guys, give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes, tell me. Let's have a look here. Why does graphite conduct electricity but not diamond? So, just think once. Yes, correct, Sumukh. Anything which conduct electricity. What is the reason to conduct electricity? There should be charge. Anything which has charge, it will conduct the electricity. Okay. Charge can be on ions. Ions means positive charge, cation, you know this, right? And negative charge, anion. Yes? Acha, tell me, another thing is electrons. What is the charge over electrons? My dear students, do let me know in the comment box, what is the charge over electron? Tell me, what is the charge over electron, guys? Electron is negatively charged. Okay. So, anything which has charge, which is moving, free charge, they can conduct the electricity. Yes, even that solid compounds, they can conduct electricity in the molten state, because in the molten state they have a free charge. Yes, same way graphite, why does graphite conduct electricity but not diamond? One single answer. Very good guys, Varalakshmi, Veena, Purvi, Rachita, good job. So what is the answer for this? Why graphite conduct electricity? Graphite, see, graphite, one simple answer. Graphite has free electrons, which diamond doesn't has. Diamond doesn't have free electrons. In the beginning, Amrut has told me that diamond forms 4 bonds, correct? So, all the 4 electrons of carbon, all the 4 valence electrons of carbon is used here in the bonding in case of diamond, correct? But graphite is the slippery in nature. Graphite is like this. Can you tell me, in case of graphite, one carbon is forming how many bonds? This is one carbon. My dear students, here in case of diamond, the cage-like structure, this is the structure of diamond. Each carbon is bonded tetrahedral. It is forming 4 bonds using all the 4 electrons. Can you guys tell me, here in graphite, this carbon atom is forming how many bonds? Quickly. This carbon atom is forming how many bonds? I want the answer, then I will move forward. Yes. Tell me, what is the, how many bonds this graphite carbon is forming here? Graphite has the layer structure. This is the structure of graphite. Okay. And diamond has the cage-like structure, 3D structure. You know this. This is the 2D. Yes, Sumukt, Varalakshmi, correct, absolutely. Where are others? How many bonds carbon is forming in graphite? I want answer from everybody. Krishna, Purvi, Ruchita. When in the exam, no matter how much you have written, but if you will make this diagram, that diamond is forming cage-like structure using all the 4 electrons, but here carbon is out of 4, only 3 electrons it is using. The 1 electron is free. Understood? The answer for this is free electron. Now you have to explain why graphite has the free electron. So graphite is layered structure, layered structure. One like that, and again there will be one structure like this. One after, it is like a sheet structure, layer. So that's why carbon is using 3 electron, 1 electron of carbon is free. And because of this free electron, it is conducting the electricity. Okay, did you guys understand this? I hope you guys have understood. In the exam, wherever you can, you draw the diagram with your answer. Then nobody will cut your marks. Examiner will think that, okay, students has written also and explained in the diagram form also. And you also know that when we draw a diagram, it becomes very easy for examiner to check ki this student has written this much. Everybody is in so hurry nowadays, right? They will not waste so much time in reading everything. If you have clearly drawn the diagram, you expect full marks for that question. So remember this tip of me, wherever it is possible, draw the diagram. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Here, this is the guys, this is the graphite structure. This is the graphite structure. Graphite is slippery in nature. It is a layer structure. In graphite, each carbon atom is linked to 3 carbon atom. Okay, via covalent bond. The 4th electron is free. Yes, and that's why it can conduct electricity. Diamond has no free electrons because each carbon atom is bonded with the 4 atoms. Okay, diamonds are bad conductor of electricity. Understood guys this question? Can I move forward to the next question? Remember this picture. It is very easy to make. Just draw one hexagon, draw another hexagon, draw another hexagon. Like that you complete the structure. Okay, fine. Fine guys. Like that you draw. You show here that this carbon is forming 3 bonds. 1 electron is free for carbon. Understood guys? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes? Fine. Chalo, now here is the next question. Draw the structure of 2-methyl propane. IUPAC naming. Draw the structure of 2-methyl propane. Prop means how many carbon? Prop means how many carbon guys? Quickly. Do let me know in the comment box. Propane. Prop means how many carbon? Or ane means what? Ma'am, if diamond valency is 4, how it can form 3 bonds? My dear Amrut, just listen to me. Whether it is diamond or it is graphite, or it is fullerene, or any allotrope of carbon, it is carbon only. Yes, for everything it is carbon. Correct? Okay, second thing is, carbon has 4 valence electron. Yes, carbon has 4 electron. In case of diamond, carbon is forming 4 bonds. In case of diamond, carbon is forming 4 bonds. It means that carbon, I'll write here clearly, carbon is using all 4 valence electron to make 4 covalent bond. Understood? To make 4 covalent bond. Correct? But same way, graphite is also, in graphite also carbon is there. But there carbon out of 4 it is using only 3 electrons. So 1 electron is free. Are you guys getting my point? It is not about diamond valency. It is about carbon valency. Carbon here, everywhere. Carbon in coal, carbon in diamond, carbon in graphite. Everywhere carbon has 4 electrons. But in graphite, out of 4, it is using only 3 electrons, 1 free. Yes, but in diamond it is using all 4. Understood now? Tell me, is the doubt clear? Can I move forward to this question? Yes? Tell me guys, can I move forward to this question? Yes? Okay. Very good Amrut, you have asked the doubt. So if the question arises in your mind, don't forget to ask. Okay? Chalo. Draw the structure of 2-methyl propane. You guys have told me that propane means 3. I will tell you one thing. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl is the substituent. Prop means carbon atom in parent chain. Correct? Ane means single bond. Carbon single bond. Yes? So can we draw the structure? 2-methyl propane. 1, 2, 3. Whenever they will give you the formula, you first try to write the parent chain. 1, 2, 3. Second position, methyl. Methyl means CH3. Now you have written this structure. Complete the valency of carbon by hydrogen. 1 carbon forms 4 bonds. 1 carbon forms 4 bonds. Correct? So here put 4 bonds. Done. Here already 3 bonds, so 1 H. Here 3 H. Okay? Can you tell me here how many covalent bonds are present? Can you tell me here how many covalent bonds are present in it? I will draw this structure again, the open structure. And tell me how many covalent bonds are present. Okay? So, what is the structure here? Propane. 1, 2, 3. Second position, methyl. 1 carbon. hydrogen, hydrogen, one more hydrogen. This hydrogen is visible to you people. Here, one more hydrogen. Okay. Again, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen. How many covalent bonds are present? Sumukh is telling 10 bonds. Anybody else? Total count, how many bonds are there? Total. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tell me how many total bonds are there? Count each and every bond. Yes. Sumukh is only giving me the answer. What about others? Is the structure not visible completely? Draw the structure and tell me how many total covalent bonds are there. Yes, Darshil. Anybody else? Varalakshmi. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 is the correct answer. Not 10. They are asking you total number of covalent bond. Total. Don't you, I guess you are doing this mistake. You are counting for them and you are not counting for this methyl, I guess. Yes, these three you are not counting, right? Yes, that's why you are doing the mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you don't have to do this mistake. You have to count this also. Understood, guys? So total there are 13 electrons. You have to count all. They told number of, write the number of covalent bond. Correct? Chalo, give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Now I am moving forward to the next question. Okay? Draw the electron dot structure of methane. What I have told you, whenever we have to write the dot structure, first thing, write down the rough structure of that molecule. What is the rough structure? Methane. What is the formula for methane? What is the formula for methane? Meth means how many carbon? Yes. Okay, Sumukh. Methane. Meth means how many carbon? 1 carbon. Correct? So, carbon, 1 carbon with 4 hydrogen. How many valence electron for carbon? How many valence electrons for carbon? Second step. This is the first step. What is the difference between isobutane and methyl propane? Just give me 1 second. I will tell you the dot structure and then I will discuss this. Okay? So, methane is CH4. Correct, Ruchita? CH4. Dhanush, C2 means eth. So, valence electron of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valence electron for hydrogen, it is 1. Correct? Okay. So, hydrogen wants 2 electron. Hydrogen will complete the doublet. Hydrogen has 1 electron in the outermost shell. It wants to complete doublet. But carbon has 4 valence electron. It need 4 more. So, octet complete for carbon. This is the dot structure for methane. Is that clear, guys? Understood? Yes? Fine? If you have understood, then I will take the next part. Poor conductor of electricity. Tell me, why such compounds are poor? Name the type of bonds formed in this compound. Can you tell me methane is forming which type of bond? Ionic covalent coordinate. Quickly tell me in the chat box. Yes. Quickly tell me in the chat box, methane has which type of bonds? Ionic, ethane, methane. Yes, tell me. Methane has how many types of, which type of bonds? Ionic, covalent. Very, very good, Samakh. It is covalent bond. Absolutely correct. So, which type of bonds are there here? There is a covalent compound, covalent bonds. Correct? Acha. Poor conductor of electricity. Can you tell me why they are poor conductor of electricity? Already we have discussed this so much. Yes, correct? Yes, absolutely correct, guys. Covalent bond, very, very good. And you know that covalent bonds are weak. There is weak force of attraction. That's why, acha, yes, that's why they have less melting and boiling point. But what about poor conductor of electricity? Yes, Nirmal, yes, you also have given the correct answer. Tell me why they are poor conductor of electricity. Why covalent compounds are poor conductor of electricity? Because they don't have free charge. As I have told you initially, ionic compounds, the charges are completely separated. But in covalent compound, there is no charge formation. Understood? Yes, because no charge. Absolutely correct, Darshil. Because do not have ionic bond. Yes, Nirmal, that is also correct. So, next thing is have low melting and boiling point, which we have already discussed. So, I hope that you have understood this whole question. Methane is a poor conductor of electricity because in methane all bonds are covalent. Therefore, no free electrons. Yes, and that's why it does not conduct electricity. Always remember, to conduct electricity, either you have free ions which are charged, or you should have free electrons which is again negatively charged. Charge is very much important. Charge is the essential thing to conduct electricity. Covalent compounds have low intermolecular force of attraction. That's why they have low melting and boiling point. This we have already discussed. Correct? Okay. So now here we are moving forward to the next question. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. Okay, guys. Chalo. So now let's move to the next question. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment box. Okay. Chalo. Now here, what is meant by functional group in the organic compound? What is the this functional group? What is this functional group? Quickly have a look here at this question. Tell me this is which functional group and this is which functional group. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have understood the previous one. Okay? Very good, Samak. Very good, Nirmal. Very good, Rachita. Yes, absolutely correct. Tell me this is which functional group? OH. Very good, Veena. Purvi. Yes. Tell me this is which functional group, guys? And this is also which functional group? It is very, very easy to identify. If you have ever seen in the books, this one is what? Which functional group? It is alcohol and this is your carboxylic acid. Correct? Yes. OH group is for alcohol. Yes, very good. Very good, Nirmal. Very good, Dhanush. Very good, Ruchita. Sumukt. Absolutely correct. So, first one is alcohol. Second one is carboxylic acid. 2-carbon alcohol. What will be 2-carbon alcohol? It is going to be ethanol. What would be the 2-carbon acid? It is going to be ethanoic acid. Yes. State one point of difference between soap and synthetic detergent. So, 2-carbon, not methanoic. Dhanush, meth means, yes, okay, something else. Fine, CH3COH, it is a carboxylic acid. Which carboxylic acid is ethanoic? Okay, guys. Now, tell me one difference between soap and synthetic detergent. So, did you understand here? Can I move forward to the next question? Soap doesn't work in hard water. Detergents work in hard water. Absolutely correct, Sumukt. This question has come in CBSE 2018. 1 year they have asked like this. Another year what they have asked, that why soap does not work in the hard water but the detergents do. So again I am telling you the concepts, the questions are going to be same, just they will change the language. Okay, so now let's see here. Fine, see here is the next thing. Yes, It creates scum, but detergent do not. Absolutely correct. This is also correct. Here is the next question. I am waiting for you guys to give me the answer. Explain isomerism. State any 4 characteristics of isomers. Draw the structure, possible structure of butane. Now I remember the question of Veena, right guy? Veena, you have asked me one question. Isopropyl. If you are there in the class, do let me know the question again. What was the question? Isopropyl and isobutane.
Isobutane and methyl propane.
Isobutane and
Methyl propane.
Isobutane and methyl propane. Okay, so Veena has asked me one question, that isobutane and methyl propane. First of all, Veena, if it is methyl propane, definitely it should be 2 methyl propane. Methyl propane, there is nothing called methyl propane. Yes, so it will be 2 methyl propane. Correct? Difference between butane and methyl propane. Yes, correct. Now see, butane. Draw the structure of butane here. Butane means 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? This is normal butane. N-butane means straight chain. Correct? This is straight chain. Yes, N-butane. Isobutane means what? So remember this. This unit is called iso. Yes, this unit is called iso unit, and there should be 1,4 here. This structure is called isobutane. Why it is called isobutane? Tell me. Why it is called isobutane? Because you have this unit. If I will, isobutane is the common name. It is not the IPAC nomenclature. Iso, neo, these words you cannot use in IPAC naming. But if I will write the IPAC name for this, what will be the IPAC name for this? Numbering 1, 2, 3. Tell me what will be the IPAC name for this compound. Is that visible? Tell me what will be the IPAC name for this. Second position, methyl. 2 methyl, parent carbon chain, 3 atoms. So it will be propane. 3 methyl propane. Isobutane and 3 methyl propane both are same. But 2 methyl propane is the IUPAC name. Isobutane is the general name for that. Understood now? Correct? And this is your normal butane, means straight. Fine? Yes? So now quickly let's solve this question. What is isomerism? Fine? Did you guys understood now? Tell me, Veena, have you understood this question? Do you still have the doubt? Do one thing. In homework, tell me what is the name for this structure, common name. Not the IPAC naming, okay? So it will be clear. What is the name for this structure? Correct? You tell me the common name for this. You tell me the IUPAC name for this. Okay? Veena has understood. What about others? Veena has asked a very good doubt. Generally, students get confused in iso, neo. Yes? Okay, chalo. So, guys, fine? Okay, fine. So, I'll end this session here. Fine? I hope that you have gained some knowledge. It will be very much helpful for you. Again, I am telling you, you draw the pictures, draw the diagrams. Draw the picture in the answer, and it will make your answer standing out different from the others, and the examiner is definitely going to give you full marks. Okay, fine. So I will end this session here. What do you mean by isobutane? You are in 9th class, Darshal. Okay, I'll take this in the next class. Fine. So I hope you have liked the session. The next session will be on Monday, and yes, okay. Okay guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, comment on this video and like the video. Okay, fine. I'll end the session here. Bye-bye guys. Keep studying, keep preparing for your board exams. And if any doubt is there, I am here with you. Our teachers are here with you. Okay, guys. See you soon.